Good morning everyone. Today is our second day in Bergen. Today we decide to climb Ulriken. Today we were trying to reach the highest point in the area, Ulriken Hill, but the rope line is closed and the weather changed suddenly, so we voted against it. We never give up easily, so at least we reached the first viewing point. After deciding if we should go or shouldn't, we were watching closely the weather and then we decided to try to reach the top. If you are a beginning hiker, I do not recommend to do that. Stay safe. The footpath and beginning of the trail looks really easy. You can choose shorter way or the easier. We decided for the shorter one. Against the odds, slowly, step by step, we are approaching the top of Ulriken. If you are in emergency, there's a medical box on the way to the top. How many more steps? If you know the number, let me know in the comments. The rope line is in reconstruction, so you need to wait a little bit until you're gonna be able to reach the top with it. The view from the top is absolutely stunning. We managed to climb to the top of Ulriken. I highly recommend to do that and take a look at the Bergen from the top. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, see you in the next one.